Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at another EDC loadout, and this one is all in pink. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to support the channel. Thanks a lot. Well, I put together this really pink EDC loadout because someone saw my different EDC loadouts and basically gave me a budget and said, hey, put something together for me. So I put this together, and it comes in this really nice zippered pouch, and this is actually by Olight. That's right, the flashlight company, and I think this was kind of a limited edition pouch, and I believe in support of breast cancer, but I think it's just, you know, that pink camo, just so unique and fits just the general pink theme. So I don't personally really like this logo as much, but hey, it comes with it. I can look at this more often, and you can see the Olight tag right over there. But what I do like is the size of this, right? It's nice and flat. You can see this is an EDC loadout, but it's not thick, it's not bulky. This could go into a bag, probably not into a pocket unless you've got really large pockets. But if you've got a satchel, a pouch, or a handbag, this fits in very nicely. So nice and flat. And of course, this is zippered so nothing falls out, and you can see it's quite deep, not shallow. Let's have a peek inside. You can see all kinds of pink EDC goodies. All right, so let's start off on this side over here, and we've got a flashlight. This is the Olight i3T. So very nice, small, handy flashlight. As you can see, this one is definitely for breast cancer awareness, and it actually fits the pouch. I'm quite sure it came out together around the same time. So this is a flashlight. As you would know if you watch this channel, I really like the Olight lights. I've got the i3T, i5T, rechargeable batteries, those that just run on AA, AA. This also runs on AAA. So nice, great, handy size. And here we have the main knife, the black lanyard. This is the Spyderco Dragonfly 2 with pink FRN scales. And I've reviewed this particular knife, so do check out the link in the card above or description below if you'd like to have a closer look at the knife. But that is part of the kit. Next up, I've got a pen, and this is a Zebra slide pen. You can see this is actually quite a full-size pen. So this isn't the small mini sort of slide pen. It's actually thicker, but it's nice and pink, fits the overall theme as well. We've got a nice Swiss Army knife classic in this pink. So the classic has scale tools, as you can see, tweezers and a toothpick. We've got the blade, so we've got secondary blade in this EDC loadout. We've got a file over here with a mini screwdriver, and on the flip side we have a tiny pair of scissors. So perfect fit in terms of a look for the color scheme. Let's see what else we have over here. Now you can see this pouch actually has this elastic. I'm not sure if you can see it in the light, but they're actually elastic loops, almost like a molly strap system, so that allows you to slot things inside and keep things inside. And over here there's a divider, so it's great, you don't scratch up items inside. And inside over here got a Zippo lighter, and of course in pink. And this Zippo, well, it's not a regular Zippo because it's got the butane insert. And that's pretty cool, so you don't have to worry about lighter fluid. And you know, it's a great thing about this butane insert, and I was wondering if you still could do Zippo tricks. And you still can do Zippo tricks with this insert, so that's nice to know. And finally, one more item inside. Yes, some hot pick, very thin paracord. So you always need cordage, very useful for an EDC item, so that goes inside as well. And there's definitely more space inside if needed. You can put band-aids, you can put some money, credit cards if you need. So overall, this is the pink EDC loadout. So what's your favorite item in this all pink EDC loadout? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think there's any other item that is pink that will fit this pouch? Do let me know your thoughts as well. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.